Masculine nouns ending in O, A, and E change their final vowel to I. Libro, libri, cane, cani, pianeta, pianeti. To form the plural nouns ending in io, omit the O unless the I is stressed, in which case change the io to ii. Figlio, figli, zio, zii. I'm going to repeat those two words so you hear the stress properly. Figlio sounds like io. Zio sounds like io. Feminine nouns ending in A, change the A to an E, like casa, case, lettera, lettere. Feminine nouns ending in E, change the E to I, like ape, api, or madre, madri. Here are some irregular feminine plurals. Mano, mani, arma, armi, ala, ali. Contact us for more information.